Guys, we're in our room. You guys want to see our room? You ready? Okay. This is it. Flat screen TV. We got water to hydrate ourselves, and heading to the mall.
Exit path, exit there, if you exit.
Okay guys, we just left the hotel. We're on our way to City Mall once again, and I'm going to vlog the road so you guys could see it, because it's less traffic this time, so you get to see all of it. I'm not gonna do as much vlogging when we get inside of the mall, because we're just gonna pick up something quick. Our suitcases went straight to Barbados, so we do not have anything to change into, so we're gonna grab something in the mall, see what we get, so we can sleep over for us to catch our next flight in the morning. Once again, I say welcome to Trinidad with Caribbean Airlines. I know some of you have been wondering what happens during plane taxi. The process can be very nerve-wracking if it's your first time or if you haven't done much traveling. So if you fall in any one of these categories, if you're interested in traveling soon or wish to live vicariously through me, this video is perfect for you. Remember guys, it's always a good time to subscribe. Come on now, join the clan. Come learn a thing or two from this messy footage. Let's make some memories together, and of course, don't miss out on all the memories. So many memories all along the way.
the shop.
Let's go this one for the clothes.
These decorations.
They did that after. That's a New Year's. Want a picture? It is morning time and we're heading out. We're saying our final goodbyes to the hotel. Airport Suites Hotel. We're saying our final goodbyes to them. This time we got to stay in a different room. We got the chance to be upstairs as opposed to downstairs. The rooms were pretty much the same kind of vibe, which was pretty cool. And we just stayed for one night, so it was good. Again, we didn't get to use the pool because we were not feeling very well. Maybe next time around we'll probably be lucky enough to get to use the facilities, especially the pool. So we're heading now to Piako International Airport, and the reason I'm filming this is because the last time we barely got to see one side of the road, but this time I'm in the front seat, as you can see, and you get to see more vividly the road and to enjoy this trip with me. So come on out, let's go. We're heading to Piako International Airport. Once again, I want to say thanks to Jerome. He made being in Trinidad seamless for us. Thank you so much. Also guys, I am going straight through customs and heading straight to the plane. So as soon as we get to the airport, the next time you're gonna see me is on the plane.